Namaste everyone. Sometimes we need to deal with the decimal numbers and we need to round them off to the required number of digits after the decimal place. So now in that case, there are three formulas available in the Excel spreadsheet. These are round, round up and round down. Let us see one by one. So now first one, round. Tab. You can select this number and number of digits. Let us say 2. I want the correct answer up to 2 decimal places. So guys, in this case, it would be rounding off this number to 2 decimal places, 2 digits, 2 significant figures in a simple way as we have been doing in the mathematics. So expected answer would be this one, 4.77. Because this 5, actually if it is 5 or greater than 5, then it is going to increase this digit by 1 and providing the answer 4.77. And now guys, let us experiment more. Okay, now in this case, let us say if I want up to 5, so this would be the answer. And in case 2, it was like this. Now let us talk about this one, round up. So first of all guys, we are going to read the definition. Rounds a number up away from a 0. What does that means? Okay, now let us select this formula first of all. Select this number and okay, now let me select 4. If it would have been simple rounding of a number as we have done in this case, what would be the expected answer? I think it would be 4.7653 because here 0 is present, so it is not going to increment this one. So expected answer would be 4.7653. Now what answer I will get? You can see it is providing me this answer. So that's why it is incrementing this number. That's why it is rounding up. That means away from 0. So now you can experiment more by providing any digits. Let us say we will be typing here 7. Now expected answer would have been 4.765308 and 1. Okay. But instead we are getting 8 2. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay. This is at 7th position. Now see, it is incrementing every number which it encounters. Now in the case of round down, that means it will round down the number towards 0. You can read it out. Rounds the number down towards 0. What does that mean? Select this number again. And now in this case, I would be showing you something. Let us say I will type 2. The expected answer would have been 4.77 if it was a simple rounding off, just as we do in mathematics. But instead it will provide me this answer 4.76. Why? Because see guys, it is not going to decrease the number. As in this case, it incremented the number by 1. It incremented the digit by 1, but it is not going to replicate the similar process in the case of decrement. It will keep the digit as such. Now you can see this original number 5 is present. If it would have been the simple one, it would have rounded off up to 1 digit extra, that is 4.77. But it will keep it on the same position. So that is the actual meaning of rounding down, that is towards 0. I hope these three formulas are clear to you. And let us experiment more. If let us say we want to round off the value of pi, I will type pi, tab, up to 3 decimal places, which we use in the calculation. So you can see the answer is 3.142. So hope you guys understood what I have taught you today. If you are liking my content, do like, share and subscribe my videos. And appreciate me with a thumbs up. Thank you.